welcome to technology class. Today we're going to work on a joint project between Lobitos, Lobos, and Wolfpack called One McGlone. What we're going to do is submit a video, voice recording, or picture of your favorite core value, okay? And showing why that core value is so important to you. All right, let's get into it. See you in SeeSaw. First, I need to find the One McGlone post in my SeeSaw class. Carefully read the instructions. It says, today we will create a project together called One McGlone. Watch this video. Pick your favorite core value. Our core values are achievement, wonder, empathy, collaboration, and advocacy. Select Add Response to submit a video, picture, or voice recording that shows that core value for the project. Now that I know what core value I want to share, I click Add Response. Now I can choose what kind of media I want to create. Today, I think I will make a photo and attach a voice recording. Think about how you want to look on camera. I'm really not feeling this shirt. That's better. Clear an area so it looks exactly the way you want it. Then take your picture. I will add in text for my core value using the tools on the left. I can change the color and the size of my text. Now I want to record my message. One McGlone means advocacy as we work hard to support each other. Oops. Come on, Mr. Clifton, you can do better than that. Let's try again. One McGlone means advocacy as we work together for social justice. That's much better. All right, sounds like it's ready to go. Click the check symbol to submit. And that's it. Be creative, have fun, and let's show One McGlone.